The race is on. We are witnessing an unprecedented global competition, one that will redefine world power and economic dominance. The global AI race has already started. Artificial intelligence is not just another technology, it is the fundamental infrastructure for the future. Today, we break down what this global AI race means and who the key competitors are. This is a geopolitical and economic contest for supremacy. Nations and corporations worldwide are pouring resources into becoming the dominant force in AI development and deployment. Unlike previous technological revolutions, AI's impact is pervasive and exponential. The winner of this race will wield transformative power across every sector of life and industry. So who are the primary players in this high-stakes game? The AI race is being fought on two main fronts: national governments and global tech giants. Major national strategies in countries like the US, China, and EU are competing fiercely, while corporations like Google, Microsoft, and others are making massive investments in foundational AI research and deployment. The current capabilities span vast territories, from highly advanced generative models that create content to sophisticated machine learning systems driving crucial operations in logistics and finance. The stakes couldn't be higher. AI leadership means not just technological advancement, but control over the next generation of global power and economic wealth. AI leadership is intrinsically linked to future economic prosperity. It determines who sets the standards, who captures the major market efficiencies, and who controls data flows. Beyond economics, AI is a critical element of national security, influencing military capabilities, intelligence gathering, and global soft power and influence. The competition is multifaceted, focusing on core technology development, human capital, and the regulatory environment that shapes innovation. A major battleground is research and development into foundational models, the large, powerful AI systems that underpin countless applications. Who builds the best core technology dictates the future. The race for talent is fierce. Attracting and retaining the world's top AI researchers and engineers is paramount, along with fostering vibrant local AI ecosystems. The soft power of establishing ethical guidelines and effective, yet innovation-friendly regulation is also a critical competitive area that shapes global trust and adoption. As the AI race accelerates, the world must understand that standing still means falling behind. The time for decisive action is now. Continued. Sustained investment in both basic research and applied AI technologies is essential to maintain a competitive edge and drive innovation forward. This is a marathon, not a sprint, but the pace is relentless. To secure a successful future, we must commit to innovation, investment, and strategic planning today.